Okay, so now what we're gonna do is install the map sensor. Right, so it goes in there, and I put it in the wrong way, so you'll know, because obviously it doesn't fit. Bam. Do not reuse. I'll even show you. So it goes in one way, as you see right there, right? Do not put in the old bolts that came with the old airbox. MST sent over, right? Little black ones. They're metal. They're graded differently, built differently to withstand, I guess, this, right? So the other screws are meant for plastic. These are meant for metal, so, or aluminum. We're gonna be using a 3 Allen wrench, number 3, and we're just gonna tighten them up snug. You don't wanna do it too much because the last thing you wanna do is crack your map, and that would really suck, right? So just get them nice and snug, just enough to be tight, because again, you don't wanna crack the map sensor.